When the perfect void was corrupted by light, a great wailing was heard, and all the brethren fled in terror.
What is light without dark?
How long you been down here?
Since time immemorial.
The way you talk, you must have had a good education.
A most liberal one.
I only went to third grade.
I went through the whole gamut of learning. I know everything.
Stuck on yourself, huh? What's your name?
Well, I have a number of aliases. I have a long record under the name of Mephistopheles.
Greek, huh?
Well, there are some who claim I'm more of one nation than another, but that's not true, Eddie. I'm of all nations. I play no favorites.
You look like a con man. Look, remember Papa.
Call me Nick.
You married?
Millions of women have adored me.
Quite a guy with the ladies, huh?
I'm a fascinating fellow.
Look, Mark, playing around with dames is dynamite.
But delightful dynamite, Eddie. Live fully while you may and reckon not the cost. Deny yourself nothing. Flame and blaze like a torch and toss the power about you. Oh, Mark Hyam said it. I'll make the most of what we yet may spend before we too into the dust descend.
You're talking screw.
That's your dress, isn't it?
Of course it's mine. I left it there on purpose. I never wanted to see it again. It's only a reminder of my past existence.
Did you hit that man and steal his money?
It says here, black-haired woman did that.
That's what you were when you entered that store.
When that woman struck the man, I saw my chance to get all the things I've always wanted. So I picked up the money he dropped, and in the excitement, nobody'd noticed what I'd done.
Why don't you stop lying to us, Kira? You never dyed your hair.
What do you mean?
We tested some strands of your hair in the lab last night, and it is not dyed. The pigmentation is natural.
Oh. So you've been spying on me.
Kira, we're not blaming you entirely for what you did. You probably didn't have complete control of your impulses.
Are you trying to say I'm insane?
No. It's just that the treatment may have unbalanced your glandular functions temporarily.
Never mind that scientific double talk. I did what I wanted to do, and I'm going to keep right on doing it. And I'd like to see you stop me.
Nuke, Ra, Hirokuti, Shil, Pa, Noon. And he said, Nish, Gishida, be like us, and eat of my liquid light, of my genes. Why, she said, the reptoid said, to gain more data and light, and by doing so, you will become wise, as Murdoch, his brother, the head of the council of the mission of this water world, watched on. Nigishida said, you will become an Akdoad, and higher in rank than a Terran. What did this action give this Homo sapien? An ego, title, higher status, and rank. Just as the Archangel Michael Mordok has done for the people in the last awakening period from 1970 and beyond. A plan to educate the meek, to dumbfound the wise. What did this new rank cause? Disobedience of law and order. Why, you may say, an untamed ego will not listen or abide by anything or anyone but self. Just like this current day, it has repeated. Can a bad person be good? Can a bad angel be good? Can bad be justified? Are there good bad angels? Is a thinking brain able to control the thoughts of a controlling living spirit? What has a beginning has an end. A current life expectancy on average is 77.8 years. So many may think 77 years of mostly bad experiences would have a person think that the wicked ones rule and that they are unstoppable. But the mild spirits or mild beings take orders as well. The bad, wicked, evil have a weakness. They do not have absolute power. They have a role to play in bounded creation as well, a purpose to fulfill their role as the opposite side of the center of circle, but stepping outside of the boundaries of cosmic laws, give way to judgment by cosmic laws. The only thing that is unstoppable is cosmic law. A spirit learns behaviors from past genetic DNA lines and current lifetime experiences. When is a personality fully developed? Never. A living spirit continues growing into multiple forms of becoming. What determines the status of a spirit that has awakened enough to be labeled as conscious? What is this spirit conscious of? Some spirits are conscious, individual minds that awaken as positive energies in its environment and positively influence evolution. But other spirits awaken as a new attribute of a hellish environment. These spirits are the cons of consciousness. They only contribute to disorder and selfish desires. There is no self as a uni-spirit becomes a unified conscious mind. There are two thinking individual minds that are awakening in this environment, a constructive and destructive mind. Which one are you? There are bad spirits that bow down and have allegiance to the central omni-creator that controls the center circle of all bounded creation. And they that stay within the boundary of circle of good are good by the cosmic law of this order. So they are considered good angels that are in action good.